Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're here with our 2024 F150 and we're showing you how to swap out those dim, dingy factory halogen or even those dim factory LED tag light bulbs with some extremely bright, great looking LEDs from F150LEDs.com. The installation is easy. We're going to show you how it's done right now. The first thing that we want to do is slide under the bumper so that we can look up and directly see this tag light socket connector. Once you slide up under the bumper, you'll be able to locate this tag socket connector, and with a counterclockwise turn, it will release. And then we'll be able to pull down this bulb and connector below the bumper so we have more access, and then we can change the bulb. Now we can remove the bulb. Now this truck's equipped with the halogen bulb, but the operation is the exact same even if your truck is equipped with the factory LED bulb. So you can grab at the base and pull directly up. If you feel a lot of resistance, what you'll need to do is find this opening channel here at the base of that socket, and then take like a small flathead screwdriver and you'll be able to just pry the bulb out of the socket, just like so. And we'll set that aside, and then we're going to take our Mark II LED with our thick wedge base, and we're going to put it right back into the same spot. It takes a little bit more pressure to get it seated because of that thick base, but that's going to prevent any damage from unneeded vibration. So now we've got our new LED installed, but before we put it back in the socket, let's make sure that it's going to light because these bulbs are polar sensitive. So we can take our key and hit it unlock. Okay, that did not light. So what we're going to do is take the bulb back out and flip it 180 degrees and put it back into the socket. Now we'll be able to hit unlock again. Oh yes, that is very bright. Don't look at the bulb when you're testing this. I'm not sure the camera could capture that or not, but whew. All right, now that we've got our bulb in, we'll be able to reinstall the socket, and a clockwise turn will lock it into place, and we'll be able to repeat the procedure for the driver's side. So that's how fast and easy it is to upgrade that dim factory tag lighting to some bright, great looking LED lighting from F150LEDs.com. It's a great upgrade for your 2024 F-150, and you can check it out today at F150LEDs.com. Be sure you subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at F150LEDs. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to serving you soon. Thanks, guys.